Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing just great, staying home, staying fit and absolutely fine. So today I'm going to create a makeup tutorial with all the products that I recently got from Nykaa, and in fact I had shared a Nykaa haul with y'all. I hope you all have seen it. If you haven't, I will be putting the link in the description box so you can definitely go and see that what all products I have purchased. So let's get started with the tutorial. But before that, kindly take a moment to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. So let's get started. So the first thing before we do any makeup is to, the most important thing is to prep our skin. So for that, I am going to use the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. I think by now you all know that this is one of my favorite moisturizer, and I just cannot do without this, because of the gel formula. Look how light is this. Because of the gel formula, I think it really makes the, the makeup sit and feel very comfortable and glide very easily. The next step is of course to prime my face. So for that I'm going to use the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. So I absolutely love the silicone texture of the primer, and it really helps in blurring my pores, and since it's got vitamin E, this really makes the texture of the skin, the pores, everything, it minimizes it a lot and makes it very blurry. I'm just going to apply it all over, especially this side. And I'm just going to keep it for for a minute or two, and then I'm going to go to the foundation. So for foundation, I had bought, I bought two foundation. One is from Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 128. And the other one which I got, it's from Makeup Revolution in the shade F6. I'm really confused as to which one should I be using today for the tutorial, क्योंकि मैंने कभी matte वाला foundation I have never used it. So I think I will be using this for today's makeup tutorial, and let's see, while I use it मैं आप लोगों को even बताऊंगी कि how does it work on my skin. Since I have got a little bit dry skin, so I think I would like to go in with the Maybelline one and see how it feels on my skin, whether it's very drying or whether it's okay for my dry girls out there. So let's see. So I have poured the foundation here, and let's see how it works. So I'm just going to dot the foundation all over. And guys, my shade is 128. This is the shade, and I just hope it matches with my complexion, because I always told you all, I like my makeup to be a little bit dewy, not too drying and not too oily also, because ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि पूरा ऑयल थोप के मैं आ गई हूँ, या ऐसा ड्राइंग भी इफेक्ट, ड्राई इफेक्ट भी नहीं होना चाहिए. So it should be in between, and specifically now since it's very humid, I think little matte foundation would be a good option. Okay, first of all, I am very happy with the outcome. It perfectly, oh my god, I can't believe it. Shade number 128, it was like my second skin, but actually मैं बोल सकती हूँ, because look at the tone. It is amazing guys. और मैं जो सोच रही थी कि बहुत ज़्यादा drying effect होगा, it is not at all like that. In fact, I'm so happy with this purchase. Maybe I'm going to buy a bigger bottle. I think वो कांच का bottle में आता है, so maybe I'm going to go with that. So I am loving this foundation as of now. So I have no complaints. I am absolutely loving the foundation. I don't feel any kind of tag or drying effect. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, and I think it is a big yay from my side. I absolutely loved the foundation. So after foundation, it's basically we use a concealer, but today I think I don't need a concealer because मेरा उतना ज़्यादा darkness under the eyes I'm not seeing, so I'm gonna skip the concealer part. But you definitely need to lock your foundation. So for that I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Light in the shade Light. It's the loose finishing powder. This is the one, and it is such a beautiful, this is not a, this is not a recent purchase, ye mere paas tha, so yeah, I'm just using it. It is very, very, very nice. And I'm just going to, apply it under the eyes and thoda yaha, that's all. So guys, I'm done with locking the foundation. So now it's going to be the eyeshadow, and I am going to use the Lakme 925 Desert Rose. This is the one, and to be honest, I do not have too much of eyeshadow palettes. Do let me know few, recommend me few affordable eyeshadow palettes, because I would love to try. Pehle मैं उतना use नहीं करती थी, but now I think I started loving the, I'm actually experimenting with my eye look and everything. Yeah, so I am going to use this. I'm going to use this shade and little bit of this shade. So let's see how the look turns out to be. So let me blend it properly, because I don't like harsh lines. Kabhi kabhar kya hota hai, yahan par you see some harsh lines coming, so you just need to blend. I think in many of my tutorials I have mentioned that blending is the key thing for makeup. Even if you're just applying foundation and nothing else, take your time to blend, because if you've applied foundation or halbari mein aisa, you'll see a lot of people, they have the harsh lines running right here on the forehead or cheek area, and it really looks ugly. So blend, blend, blend and blend. So I'm done with my eyeshadow. Now it's the time for my eyeliner. So for eyeliner today, I was just waiting for a tutorial. मैं wait कर रही थी when I'll be using a blue eyeliner. So yes, I'll be going with the blue eyeliner. So let's just see, how it looks. Okay, look at this. I think it's wonderful. मैं और तारीफ नहीं कर सकती. It is very, very, very nice. The best part is the applicator. Yeah, so I'm done wearing the eyeliner, applying the eyeliner, and if you can see, it is such a nice eyeliner. Mwah! I love, love, love the eyeliner. So after the eyeliner, I'll be using the mascara, and today I'll be using the Maybelline, the Falsies from the Maybelline, the Falsies Push Up Drama. This is the one, and I absolutely, again, I love this, the mascara, because it really gives the effect of false eyelashes. It makes your eyelashes look very, long, I would say. And it doesn't even clump the eyelashes. After I'm done with my mascara, now it's the time to do my brows. Now you know that I've been using the Sugar Arch Rival Brow Definer. But recently I have discovered, actually ये तो काफ़ी time से था market में, but it was like, just I can say few days back I had ordered for this Nykaa Take a Brow Eyebrow Filler, and guys, from the time I have ordered this, I have been applying it, I've been using it, and I cannot even stop raving about this product. I will give a full review about this product, and this shade is 01 Cocoa Raven, yes, and it is such an amazing, I think in this video my word is amazing. Everything that I have, I am using, I'm just saying amazing, but trust me, I'll just show you all the difference. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows, and look at the difference. Oh my god, the before and after effect is so visible, right? Like my whole face changes, once you do your brows, your whole face changes. I can do without a foundation, I can do without a mascara, but two things I can't do without is a brow product, any eyebrow product, and of course a lipstick, because lipstick, there are so many hacks you can do with the lipstick, so yes. Alright, so the next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to contour. So for that I had purchased the Sugar. This is actually, it's not a contour palette, but it's not a palette first of all. It is a mini bronzer, okay? It is 02 Woody Wonder. This is the one. थोड़ा सा product मैं use करूँगी, ज़्यादा नहीं, because you know little works great for you. So थोड़ा सा मैं use कर रही हूँ. And this side. I love you. Yeah, no complaints about this also. Next is, of course, we need to put, you know, those pink rosy cheeks. So for that I had bought the Maybelline. Again, Maybelline, I think there's so many products of Maybelline, but definitely it's not a one brand tutorial. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and in the shade 30 Rose. This is such a pretty, amazing, okay, how could I forget that word, amazing, okay. After 1,000 years I managed to open it. So yes, look at this. Oh, it's such a pretty shade. You know, you need your highlighter. So for that again, okay, this, thank God it's not Maybelline ka hai. Ye hai Makeup Revolution ka Pro Illuminate. So look at this. It's such a beautiful highlighter. Okay, so I'm done with my highlighter. This is the one. Okay, so for lipstick I've got two options today. One is the Color Bar. This is their Kiss Proof Lip Stain 008 Rustic. This is a very nice shade. Again, you know, ye brown to main pura, it's not like completely brown, but it's like a brick red brown, a combination of brick red and brown, you can say. It's very nice. And another one is Matte Me ka hai. This is 427. This is also very pretty shade. And so these two are a little different. So I am a little confused which one should I go for. Maybe I will go in with my Color Bar Rustic, because I think this is the first time I'm using this for any makeup tutorial. So, you know, I should give a chance, fair chance to all my lipsticks. So yes. Look at this, such a pretty color. Okay, so I am done with my complete makeup. Pura makeup mera ho chuka hai. Do let me know as to how did you like with specifically the blue eyeliner, because you know this is the first time I have used a blue eyeliner. So guys, I'm done with my makeup tutorial. All the products would be linked down in the description box. So I hope you all have enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. If you did, then please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on my Instagram. Guys, with this it's a wrap for today's video, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling. Love you guys. Bye bye.